Thank you for choosing the portable Ultrasonic Plus LED skincare machine. Start by plugging the power cable to the unit. Press the on button. Press the sonic button to use the ultrasonic high frequency. This will help skincare products to be absorbed through the skin. Press the sonic button again to change from low to middle to high depending on client's comfort level. Press the photon button for LED light therapy. The red light is used to reverse wrinkles and speed blood circulation. The green light is used to calm the skin. The blue light is used to cure acne by shrinking blood vessels. Press the ion button to use the positive ion therapy to cleanse any ions left by cosmetics, by deep cleaning the skin, making it soft. Use professional conductive gel for better current when in use. Press the Vibra button to use the vibration massage and massage the face to relax muscle and cell tissue. You may use both large and small probes for this. After each use, please use disinfecting wipes to clean the unit.